If you've ever made a mistake in Prezi and wanted to quickly fix it, undo is one of the most useful tools you can learn. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to undo in Prezi using both the keyboard shortcut and the built-in undo button. This is perfect whether you're typing text, moving objects around, or just trying to backtrack a step without losing your work. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Prezi tips and software guides. Now let's jump in. The fastest way to undo in Prezi is with a universal keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and Z at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command and Z at the same time. This instantly steps backward through your most recent action, which is especially helpful if you accidentally deleted something, moved an object to the wrong place, or typed the wrong text. You can use this shortcut repeatedly to undo multiple actions one step at a time. If you prefer using your mouse instead of the keyboard, Prezi also gives you an undo option right inside the editor. Look at the top left corner of the Prezi editor interface. You should see a left-facing curved arrow icon. That is the undo button. Click it once to go back one step. If needed, click it again to keep moving backward through your changes. This is a great option if you're more comfortable using the on-screen controls, or if you simply want to make sure you're clicking the correct action. One helpful tip is to pay attention to what part of your project you're working on so you can undo the right step at the right time. If you undo something by mistake, you may also be able to redo it depending on your version of Prezi, so keep an eye out for the matching arrow next to undo. The main thing to remember is that Prezi gives you two simple ways to fix mistakes fast. Use Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac, or click the undo arrow in the top left corner. Both methods are quick, easy, and perfect for making edits without stress. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Prezi how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.